Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Andreas, and in this short video I will show you how you can change the admin email in WordPress. I will show you two ways to do that and you can choose what you like the most. So first you have to go to the settings and you have to go to the general. Click on general and then here it says administration email address. Okay, this is an email that is not working and I want to change it. The first way to change it is just replace this email, delete this and add an email. I have here one of my emails and then scroll down and click Save Changes. Okay, this way requires you to go to your emails and find an email that has been sent from the site and click to actually confirm the admin email change. So I go to my emails. Here I see the email has arrived. I click on it. And I can click the link here to confirm that it says to confirm this change. Please click on the following link. Before I want to show you that if you don't click to confirm, the email will never change. If I refresh the page here or if I go to the dashboard, the email will never change. Okay, so even if it has been a request to change, it will never change if you don't confirm the change. Okay, and you can always cancel if you want the request, but the request stays there and it will be valid until you accept it or if you cancel it from here. So let's accept it and see that the email will change. So I click here to accept it and you see here that the email has been changed now and it has been set as the administration email address. Okay, that's it with the first way. It's very simple, but you have to have access to the email address and you have to go and click it and change it. Before we continue, if you want to get your own e-learning website preloaded with 250 courses that you can sell and keep 100% of the profits for yourself, or your own digital store preloaded with 265 ebooks that you can sell and keep the profits for yourself, click the link below in the description to get more info and get yours today. Or if you want to know what is my favorite way to create passive income from affiliate marketing, then also in the description below there is a link you can click and join for free today. Let's continue with the video now. In some cases, for most of them this will be enough, but in some cases when I was working with clients and I had to add the client's email for the admin email, the client sometimes couldn't find the email, was not answering to me fast, and I have to wait until the client has to confirm the admin email change. Okay, so for me, I found a better way to change the admin email without require a confirmation on an email address. Okay, so what you have to do in this case, you need to add the plugin. So I go to the plugins and click add new plugin, and then I will search here for the change admin. The plugin is called change admin email. So we'll click here install now and then we click activate. Alright, so now the plugin has been activated and we'll go now again on the settings and then general, and here now we can change the email. Let's change it to another of my emails. Is this one, and then just click save changes. And now the email has been changed without to require me a confirmation. If you remember before, it has here a notice that says that it's pending until I confirm. Now it doesn't say anything and it is done. So you don't have to confirm anything through an email, and you just go to the plugins and then you just deactivate and remove the plugin because you don't need it to keep it there. Okay, you remove the plugin and that's all. If you find this video valuable, then make sure to like it, subscribe to my channel so you get to watch more videos about WordPress and make money online. And let me know also in the comments if this video was helpful for you and if you have any video ideas to suggest me so I can make more videos that will be helpful for you. I will see you in another video. Bye bye.